in June 2023, on the first anniversary of Padma Bridge's opening to traffic. Approximately 20,000 buses, trucks, and private cars pass through the bridge every day, traveling between 21 districts in southern Bangladesh and the capital city, Dhaka. The Padma Bridge is known as the Bridge of Dreams in Bangladesh, and its image is printed on the commemorative banknotes of the country. The Padma River, the largest and most turbulent river in the country, divides Bangladesh into southwest and northeast regions. Build a bridge over the vast and turbulent Padma River is the most ambitious infrastructure project in Bangladesh since its independence in 1972. In the 21st century, the Bangladeshi government decided to launch a bridge construction project. In 2014, two Chinese companies, China Railway Major Bridge Engineering Group and POWERCHINA Harbour Company Limited, respectively won bids for the main Padma Bridge and River Training Project with a total contract amount of about $2.9 billion, jointly forming Bangladesh's #1 project. The Padma River is known as one of the most treacherous and unpredictable rivers in the world, with an annual net flow of 1,310 billion cubic meters, ranking second following the Amazon River and the Congo River. The Padma River carries a large amount of sediments throughout the year, with surface flow rates exceeding 4 meters per second. During the flow season, most riverbeds were eroded to a depth of more than 45 meters. The harsh natural conditions make it unimaginably difficult to build a bridge over the Padma River. Taming the flood before building the bridge. Only by controlling the water can we ensure the smooth construction of the bridge. At the beginning of the project, in order to ensure the smooth progress of the Dream Project, the government of the Bangladesh invited the world-renowned architectural design firm AECOM to lead the project. The project involves river dredging and backfilling, as well as embankments construction. It also includes underwater and onshore bank retaining wall. The contract value of the project exceeds $1.1 billion. The Padma River Training Project has also become the world's largest single-contract river training project in terms of contract value. POWERCHINA has always been a pioneer in the Belt and Road Initiative and a leading company in the internationalization of the power construction industry. As the sole professional subsidiary of POWERCHINA in port and dredging operations, POWERCHINA Harbour Company Limited has emerged as a standout player in the competition with numerous professional dredging companies from the United States, Japan, South Korea, and Europe. Its success is attributed to its strong technical capabilities and excellent reputation. Affected by the tropic monsoon, Bangladesh experiences a rainy season from June to mid-October every year. During this period, the water level in rivers rises by more than 5 meters, making construction extremely challenging. In addition to this, POWERCHINA Harbour also faces enormous construction challenges. The Padma River Training Project is unparalleled worldwide. Taking river dredging as an example, the dredging and backfilling volume of the foundation trench is approximately 75 million cubic meters. For the project department, the first major challenge is materials. Bangladesh is mostly composed of alluvial plains, with only a few rocky areas along the southern coast. But the quality of the rocks does not meet technical specifications. For this reason, the project department can only procure materials from neighboring countries in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Over the past few years, the cumulative procurement volume of blocks and stones has reached 3.01 million tons. enough to fill 50,000 standard containers. The area required for storage exceeds 150,000 square meters. For the project department, they have been overwhelmed by the challenges. The Padma River has a large water flow and fast current. The soil in the construction area is mostly fine dust sand with extremely small particle size. To resolve the situation, it is necessary to reinforce the riverbed and slopes underwater, using stones and geotextile bags in order to prevent landslides and river migration. In order to successfully complete this project, POWERCHINA Harbour has utilized almost all of its resources and successfully deployed 4 of the most advanced dredging equipment available internationally at that time. The 2 IHC 9029 cutter suction dredgers can be regarded as the most valuable heavy-duty engineering machinery. 2 dredgers have an investment of 1 billion RMB, with a total installed power of 13,000 kilowatts per dredgers, and a maximum dredging depth of 29 meters. 2 dredgers are equipped with the world's most advanced dredging control system, DCS, which can monitor the dredging in real time and excavate automatically. However, the project department still faces many challenges that need to be overcome. During the dredging process, water flow velocity, wave action, and tidal changes all have an impact on the depth that the cutter can reach. Constructing in the turbulent Padma River, there is no ready-made experience and solution available worldwide.
最后呢，还是通过我们的这个自己的力量吧，不断的去尝试，不断的去摸索，然后把这个自动开挖系统与这个项目的这个土质、水流、水深它相匹配。
To ensure the project goes smoothly, Bangladesh has invited a supervisory team known as the Dream Team, which is composed of authoritative hydraulic engineers from New Zealand, the United States, Canada, South Korea, the Netherlands, Bangladesh, etc., and established rigorous acceptance criteria.
The main challenge that Sinohydro had on this project was being able to identify and look very deep down into the water. And this required multi-beam technology, which is a very high advanced technology. And Sinohydro was able to overcome this, understand the multi-beam, and use it in construction to be able to see the success of their work.
This is the world's most advanced catamaran survey vessel. It utilizes multi-beam for underwater survey, just like performing a CT scan of the riverbed. From line to plane, 3-dimensional depth measurement and automatic mapping, the measured data error is only plus or minus 5 centimeters. This technology effectively solved the precision problem of dredging and other construction process, ensuring the smooth underwater operations of the entire project. Due to the high flow rate and fast current of the Padma River, combined with the fact that the soil in the construction area is mostly fine dust sand with extremely small particle size, it is necessary to reinforce the riverbed with stone-filled geotextile bags underwater. The entire project requires approximately 21 million geotextile sandbags and about 30 million prefabricated concrete blocks, both underwater and above water. The project volume is considered the largest in the world. The key and challenge lie in the precise placement and filling of 800 kilograms geotextile sandbags. All staff members of the project department work together to redesign and transform the dumping barge, installing guide frames on the site to adjust the submerged depth automatically according to the water level. Additionally, auxiliary equipment such as chain plate machines and automatic bagging machines are installed on the barge, achieving the mechanization and semi-automation of construction machinery. After the renovation, the reprepping accuracy and efficiency have greatly improved. During peak period, reprepping of 5,000 geotextile sandbags can be completed per day. The project department has also made modifications to the stone dumping vessel, raising the qualification rate of stone dumping to 94.3%. The Padma River Training Project Department, it has obtained over 100 national patents, utility model patents, and group-level scientific and technological honors. By continuously improving the quality management system and promoting standardization and normalization, the quality objectives of achieving a 100% acceptance rate for permanent engineering projects, with over 95% passing on the first acceptance, and a customer satisfaction rate sitting at 90% have been achieved.
它等于在世界上树立了一个治核的一个典范性的工作，也可以说一个是重整行装再出发。我们再闯市场、闯世界，给了一个很好的一个底气。
While assisting the people of Bangladesh in realizing their bridge of dreams, we have been committed to the concept of mutual benefit and win-win cooperation. We actively fulfill our social responsibilities and bring benefits to the local residents. In 2017, the project department dispatched motorboats 3 times to rescue sunken local sand transportation vessels and fishing boats and crew members fallen into the water. In 2019, the project department team members rescued over 10 lives by rescuing the crew members of 2 collided and capsized commuter motorboats in the local area. Since 2018, the project department has carried out the Dreams Come True education assistance program through donation of money and goods, and has formed targeted partnerships with some impoverished families. The donated school bags contain warmth and kindness from the employees of POWERCHINA Harbour. This love is a seed sown in the hearts of children, and it will take root, sprout, and flourish in the future. After 9 years of construction, the Padma River Training Project has been successfully completed, creating an engineering miracle in the field of river training in China and even the world.